back to another video. You're watching PhoneZone.ua with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 variant out there. Talking about Samsung Galaxy A5, we can say that it is an upgraded version of Samsung Galaxy A5 older version. 2017 का ये वेरिएंट थोड़ा सा upgraded version कहा जा सकता है. Talking about this variant, talking about Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 variant out there, we can say that this was slightly heavier weighted phone as compared to Samsung Galaxy A5. मतलब A5 से compare करें तो बहुत ज़्यादा heavy weighted है. मतलब it's approximately 160 grams out there. अब weight क्यों heavy है? Why it is heavy weighted? We can say that because it offers you not just glass front बट ग्लास बैक ऑल्सो. मतलब इसमें आपको सिर्फ ग्लास फ्रंट नहीं देखने को मिलता है, ग्लास बैक भी देखने को मिल रही है, प्लस एल्यूमिनियम फ्रेम वर्क भी है. So overall you get to have a protection out there as well as a heavy designed functionality phone, structured phone you can say. You also get to have a SIM technology phone, like single SIM is there, dual SIM phone is there. You can have both the variants out there. Now when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out there, we can say that it might be single SIM, but it is not a hybrid or dual SIM. It might be a single SIM phone or a dual SIM phone, but it has a dedicated slot for each. Talking about this variant, it has got IP68 resistance to dust and water. So that can be considered as a good version out here. Having Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen gives an advantage because this has not changed over the period of time in most of the phones. Whereas the screen size is definitely increased. Screen size की बात करें तो 5.2 inch की screen size हो चुकी है. The screen has increased by 0.2 inches. 5.2 is the new screen size in 2017 variant. Having a wonderful resolution. Yes, the resolution is very amazing out there. 424 ppi density resolution gives amazing resolution to this variant. When we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, we can say it has got an upgradable Android, which is upgraded up to Android 8 out here. Yes, it can be easily upgraded up to Android 8 out here, and you get to see Android 6 as a base. Yes, Android 6 is the base for this. Whereas चिप सिस्टम की बात करें तो इसमें आपको स्नैपड्रैगन देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. यू गेट टू सी इनस्को चिप सिस्टम आउट है. यस, इनस्को का चिप सिस्टम देखने को मिल रहा है. अगर हम बात करें स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी की तो इसमें वेरिएंट्स हैं. 32 GB का वेरिएंट है, 64 GB का वेरिएंट है. देयर आर टू वेरिएंट्स, 32 and 64 GB. Along with that, it has got a constant RAM which is of 3 GB RAM. Yes, 3 GB RAM is very constant out here. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say it has got a dedicated slot for external storage capacity. जहाँ तक कि हम बात करें, अगर we talk about this variant, we can say it has got 16 megapixel wide angle camera. Yes, the camera, the main camera is 16 megapixel with wide angle, ultra wide, whichever you would like to say. It has got 16 megapixel. साथ ही साथ अगर बात करें इसमें सेल्फी कैमरा कैसे है, तो सेल्फी कैमरा इज रियली अमेजिंग. हैविंग 16 मेगापिक्सल सेल्फी कैमरा gives a plus point to this variant. Connectivity is good. 3.5 jack, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Still infrared ported are not there, and USB-C type can be seen. Like all the specifications which were back then in A5 can be seen out here. With upgraded versions, definitely there have been an upgraded version out there. Talking about the battery life, there has not been a much improvement. मतलब 2300 mAh से 30,000 mAh की battery is a good improvement. Like approximately 600 mAh battery life improvement is definitely wonderful, but offering just 16 hours talk time is definitely not worth. Like अगर 3000 mAh की battery है तो it should be much more, but it's offering only 16 hours talk time. Whereas in 2300 mAh it offers 15 hours. So we can say it could have been a much better variant. When we talk about this variant, we can say this variant offers good pricing on various sites, but what investing price is available on this website. This website is known as PhoneZone.ae. As the website name is PhoneZone.ae. Here you get to see not only just one brand but n number of brands. And this search bar helps you to search your favorite gadget out here. So we have this in the search bar. So this is the result out here, and when we talk about the results, when we talk about this variant, it has got a description box which offers you a number of descriptions out there. The specifications have been mentioned out here. And when we talk about this gadget, this model specifically, we can see there is a condition written refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how is it different from other conditions, and whether it's good to invest in refurbished product or not. So let us know about that first. So let us talk about refurbished product. And when we talk about refurbished product, we can see that it's quite similar to brand new products. How we say so, मतलब क्यों हम ये कह रहे हैं? Because brand new मतलब is something absolutely new, which has been not used, which has been absolutely untouched. That is absolutely, we can say, new for us. But refurbished is something which is like creating something newly like. Yes, creating something newly like. Why we say so? Refurbished is creating something which was back then. Yes, मतलब जो पहले जैसा था उसे वैसा ही बना देना. It's called refurbished. Now, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that they are very similar in the structurality, functionality, because they are absolutely same. क्योंकि इनके टेस्टिंग के पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, इनकी फंक्शनैलिटी सेम होती है, और बस एक ही डिफरेंस होता है. The major difference lies out is कि these refurbished products are pre-owned phones. Yes, these are pre-owned versions, whereas brand new are not pre-owned. Like जैसे ये ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें, उसमें 3 फेजेस होते हैं, और सेम 3 फेजेस जो हैं हमारे होते हैं रिफर्बिश्ड में. ब्रांड न्यू इज फ्रॉम द कंपनी, मतलब बेस इज द कंपनी आउट देयर. उसके बाद वो मार्केट प्लेस में आता है, इट कम्स टू द मार्केट प्लेस, देन इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. यस, इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. तो ये हो जाता है हमारा ब्रांड न्यू का पैसेज. whereas this user becomes now the base. वो अब हमें बेस बन गया. Now it going back, now they don't want to use that variant out here, that gadget, तो marketplace में आता है. They resell it, and then it is checked out, verified, everything is done, and it is packed as a newly like one, और फिर ये एक नए यूजर को दिया जाता है. So this is called refurbished product. Now talking about this product, we can say refurbished products में भी पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, टेस्ट होते हैं जो कि ब्रांड न्यू में होते हैं, लाइक चेकिंग द कनेक्टिविटी आउट देयर, आउटर स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल फंक्शनैलिटी, बैटरी लाइफ हो गई, उनके हैंडसेट्स में क्या क्या है, साथ में कौन कौन सी एक्सेसरीज है, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी चेक. लाइक अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें, तो कनेक्टिविटी में चाहे वो ब्लूटूथ हो, इसकी वाईफाई हो, सिम कनेक्टिविटी हो, एक्सलोमीटर हो, सेंसिटिविटी हो, फिंगरप्रिंट हो, कोई भी कनेक्टिविटी हो, वो सभी चेक किए जाते हैं. Whereas when we talk about the outer structurality, it includes the display, buttons, camera, audio, video, normal calling process out there, everything out there. Whereas internal operating systems is checked out. Internal मतलब जो बारीक चीजें जो होती हैं जो हम check out करते हैं, like the operating system, CPU, GPU, GPS out there, SIM recognition, data connectivity, colorization, it's data wiping out there. Everything, look, all the parameters which we read about any variant has to be checked. There are approximately 29 major parameters which are checked out with sub parameters out there. इन सबके सब parameters बहुत सारे होते हैं, but 29 are the major parameters out there. Now these 29 parameters are checked out, and when they are checked out, they are given a category which is known as refurbished or certified refurbished. Now what happens, what are the things which are involved in refurbished benefits? Because this offers you good quality products, good service products out there. It offers you really original parts are there. Everything is 100% genuine. Now when we talk about this product, what are the benefits of having refurbished over brand new? Number one is the savings. Yes, you get to have a savings. How you saving great amount? Like brand new, we know they are expensive, whereas refurbished are quite pocketable. Yes, refurbished products are quite pocketable out here, so you can save up to a great amount. Now when we talk about savings and pocketable rates, we can say that brand new offers you 1 year warranty period. Yes, but when we pre-own any phone, when we own any phone which has been pre-owned, so उसकी warranty period usually it has reduced out. But when we check any product from the site and it has a condition return refurbished, It gets a warranty period of 6 months. मतलब 6 महीने की वारंटी पीरियड रिफर्बिश्ड में आपको देखने को मिलती है. उसी के साथ आपको देखने को मिलता है you get to see 70 exchange policy. Yes, you also get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product, because these are profitable, gives you savings, they have warranty period, and if you they are not approximately a good product for you or they have some disadvantage, then there is an exchange policy too. So you can definitely check that out. And let us go back to the site where we were talking about to check how the products are there and whether it offers the same things or not. This is the site out here we are talking about. This is phonezone.ae. And in this site, you get to see n number of brands in these categories, in these gadgets, in these reputed brands out here. As well as when we talk about this website, you get to see 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy already there. As well as COD and free shipping is additional factor to this. Now you get to have a COD delivery out there as well as free shipping out there. Then you get to have 48 hours timing. Yes, for most parts of UAE, the delivery timing is 48 hours, whereas in Saudi it might take up to a week. Whereas when we talk about pricing, this site offers you one of the best price, yes, best price for your favorite gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about order placement, you can place either online or on call. Any type of placement can be done. For best pricing, do check out the website. The search icon helps you to search a favorite gadget. As well as if you want like to search any other gadget, you can let us know and you can search on the website too. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.